So awesome. Ow! The mission for the day is to put those tires on these wheels, get rid of these tires, throw them in the bin. Anyways, this is going on my 1967 Volkswagen Baja Bug. I've been rocking those crappy street tires for a couple of years, ever since I got the car, and they are wildly insufficient. So what I'm doing now, I got the wheels off the car. I'm gonna be going to Flagstaff to have them mounted and balanced, put on the car, and then I'll have something a little bit safer to drive around with, because this is not the best setup I have ever. I gotta do a lot of work on this car, but it's coming together. I'm doing it little by little. The Bug is doing great. I've been driving it around lately. As a matter of fact, the 100th anniversary of Route 66 is today, and I really want to get the Bug down there. So if I can get these tires on there, I'll feel safe enough to drive this thing, and we'll be heading down to Williams for the 100th year anniversary celebration of Route 66. It's a windy day here today. It's very, very windy. Look at how cute he is. Hi, buddy. Hi. What are we doing, buddy? Oh, that's a big yawner. Me and Quill are in the truck right now, and we're heading down to Flagstaff to a place called Tires to Go. Tires to Go is a little mom and pop shop. I should say brother and brother shop, because I think two brothers own it. But it's not a corporate chain. It's not a giant company. I'd rather give my money to them than anybody else. I have all the tires and the wheels with me for the front of the Bug, and I'm gonna be putting those smaller tires on. I don't know if you can even tell how much smaller they are, but they're quite a bit smaller than what I had on there. But yeah, it's time for new tires. I'm so excited. It'll feel so much nicer to drive this car with some safe tires on it. Anyways, going to Flagstaff to get my tires mounted and balanced at Tires to Go. What do you think, buddy?
Yep. Well, yeah. He's trying to talk me out of going to this size, so that's the fun.
Why? Is it power-wise, or you know, maybe there's a difference from what you have versus what he has. It's all exactly the same.
One eternity later.
Okay, the tires are mounted and balanced. Hold on here. Get these off of here. Oh yes. There we go. I love it. They're nice and tiny. I like a little bit of rubber on my tires. I really like the way they look. And glad to get rid of those wider, bigger street tires. I know I still got street tires, but it'll totally work for now. It'll be a good setup for the time being. I can easily switch those out some other time. Didn't cost too much to get a set of tires for it. They're a little bit safer than what I was going with. At least they're not dry rotted and no tread. I should have good traction in the wet and in the sand and in the gravel a little bit. So I'm stoked. I can't wait to get home and put them on my Bug so I can go to the 100th anniversary celebration of Route 66 in Williams. As I'm driving home, I spotted this farmer's market that I've been to before. It's right here at the Waldorf School in Flagstaff. This is where I came to get a willow cutting that I could grow at the property. I got a Navajo globe willow, and I was like, as a spur of the moment, I swung in there, see if the same girl is there selling them, and she is there. And I got this. I got another one. I'm using my tire to stabilize it, so I don't have to hold it the whole way home. But I love it. This is another globe willow. I'm gonna be putting this in the property as well. I wanna have a couple of really big 30, 40 foot tall trees. I really love that little tree. It's probably one of my favorite plants at the whole property. And it was a spur of the moment thing, and I got a really nice little cutting that's already rooted and everything, and I can go home and plant it. So awesome. Ow! That banged me right in the knee, man. Ow!
A few moments later.
Just got home. I'm so happy I got this little guy. It's a little tiny Navajo globe willow. I'll be adding this to the property. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna put it, but I'm so stoked to get another one because I love the one I got. It's probably my favorite thing here. Here is the dashboard garden from the bus. I've brought them in for the winter, but I'm bringing them back to life right now. I just started watering them again a few weeks ago. We got a lot of things going on, a bunch of little sprouts going, but for right now, I'm gonna leave the willow tree in here for a little bit, and I don't know, I might put it in a pot. I might put it right in the ground. I'm not really sure yet, so I'll figure that out soon. All right, I got the tire put on the wheel, going over here to the Baja Bug, slap these tires on, go for a little ride. Oh man, I can't wait. They're much smaller than the old ones, and I like it. I'm gonna go get the others. All right. I kind of like that look. Give it a little camber.
Thousand years later.
All right, I love it. I really like the look of like a street Baja. If I didn't have to go down dirt roads, I would just totally make this a street Baja, but those new tires are so much smaller. I really like the low profile. I like the way these low profile tires ride. They feel really good. It'll be so much better the last set of tires I had. Super awesome. All right, so it was a successful mission today. I got the new tires on the Bug. Maybe I'll head down to Williams tonight for the 100th anniversary of Route 66. I don't know. I don't know if the Bug's quite ready, but I'm willing to do it. Anyways, check back in the next video. I'll probably do some footage from the 100th anniversary thing in Williams, and I'll be taking the Honda Bug down there and driving around, cruising, checking out the celebration. Thanks for watching, you guys. Catch you in another video real soon, right down the road. Sure is nice to have tires on here with a little bit of peace of mind. They're feeling good so far. I want to get out on the pavement and test them out a little bit. I bet they'll feel even better on the pavement.